Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct recently launched a new series of linear actuators from our brand, SureMotion. The SureMotion LAHP series linear actuators, slides, and accessories are XYZ gantry components that allow creation of a motion system with up to 3 axes of movement. These motor-ready linear actuators and sliding components have travel lengths of up to 910 millimeters. They turn rotary motion into linear motion and provide a variety of XY and XYZ positioning system solutions. Options for mounting stepper or servo motors, as well as a full selection of accessories, complete a linear motion system. Actuators are available in ball screw and lead screw driven units. Undriven linear slides in the same lengths as driven actuators can be used to stabilize the X-axis. The SureMotion LAHP series components have a 1-year warranty. Make sure you check out our SureMotion XYZ gantry configuration tool on our website. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/ball-screw-actuator. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.